Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. With the engine warm, you'll loosen the oil fill cap to vent the system, then safely raise the front on jack stands. Position a drain pan under the oil drain plug, 14 mm on the 2012 Nissan Versa, so oil clears the sump. Once done, use a 14 mm socket to break the plug free. Do this carefully because hot oil can splash. Make sure to keep your hands and face away and have rags ready to catch spills. After the oil drains fully, about 3 to 5 minutes, you'll reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer if needed and torque it snug, not over tight. Next, remove the spin-on oil filter. You'll likely spill some oil, so keep the pan underneath. Before installing the new filter, smear a thin coat of fresh oil on the gasket so it seats and seals properly. Make sure to hand start the filter to avoid cross-threading, then tighten per filter spec. You'll add 4 to 5 quarts of 5W30 oil through the filler neck using a funnel. Once filled, start the engine for 30 to 60 seconds and watch for leaks at the drain and filter. Then shut the engine off, wait 2 minutes and check the dipstick. Add small increments if it's low. If the oil pressure warning appears after this, turn off the engine, recheck oil level and tighten the filter and plug. If light persists, have the oil pressure sensor and pickup checked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.